Gotta give Kathy Huckle something. Gotta give Letitia James. I don't have no mother, and I gave away all my money, and I never got a mother. And I got the proof that it was in a trust agreement. I got the proof of everything, what they did to my mother, knowing already that I just got my mother back from the COVID. Here go the power attorney with the postille on there, closed out stamp. You go to the page, it tells you it's an indemnifying clause, and I never got my mother back over a bamboozle of a guardianship that can't beat the Ninth Amendment. It says you cannot take my mother. I already had a 2019 nursing home abuse case about my mama. I'm demanding justice immediately. I'm not playing. I'm not going away without a fight. I'm fighting with the truth. I claim my true identity, know my Indian tribe. My mother was a retired evangelist. You refusing to stand up for your oath, your insurity bond. The state of New York is in default. Ain't no 11th Amendment gonna violate the Ninth Amendment. The state of New York cannot put any amendment clause on their immunity when you strictly violate treaty law. My mother was brought to her demise because y'all ignored critical evidence from 2019 nursing home abuse that disqualified my niece with the first group of strangers. It telling you everything in here. Notice the agent, notice the principal. Just look at Michael P. Kern's name on it, the seal. I wasn't supposed to have, yeah, Judge Junior Sinatra got to step down. Letitia James, Kathy Huckles got to do y'all job. This is the full document of the power of attorney, man. That was written in 2019, previously already disqualifying my niece with the first group of strangers. Look, it's March 26th and you still telling me I'm not going to get no justice for my mother? Are you out of y'all people, out of y'all mind? I'm not going for that. I have Ninth Amendment rights. The Constitution said you cannot make statutes and penal codes that violate our rights. We allow to bear arms and not go to jail for it because y'all made a statute that violated Article 6, Chapter 2. I'm demanding justice, Letitia James. I overstand the Constitution. And I know that John Jr. Sinatra better step down and he violate my second federal lawsuit case. Michael J. Keenan and the Buffalo police have my evidence that has his wife, named Judge Lynn Weasel Keenan, in the first federal lawsuit that was filed on August 8th, 2023. Make it make sense. Nobody's vying. I'm demanding the treaty. I stand on the treaty. I don't stand under as a citizen. I am not a 14th Amendment citizen nor a U.S. citizen. I am not. I am the live, breathing, flesh and blood man that was born on 25 Bardall Street. Let me find that because I got stuff to prove what I got going on. Look at that. Michael J. Keenan, Erie County, my evidence, my mama evidence to my federal lawsuit case. Look at this. My evidence to my federal lawsuit case. And they telling me that Michael J. Keenan and his wife could get away with this. And they saying I didn't prove anything. They proved it for me. Look, they proved it for me in say 92, Erie County. I didn't write this out. This came from them. So what is going on? The judge must don't understand he is incompetent to even stand up. The FBI agent, sheriffs, y'all must do your job. I fall under treaty. I know my Indian tribe. I know my Indian tribe. So do your job. I'm demanding justice immediately.